Furuno 1815 Radar Review. Clear target tracking and confident navigation for small boats. The first time fog rolled in unexpectedly, the shoreline disappeared in seconds, and the chart plotter suddenly felt small. I watched a skipper squint at his screen, trying to guess if that faint echo was a buoy or another boat. That kind of uncertainty lingers. It is quiet, but heavy. If you have felt that moment offshore, you understand the tension. The weight builds over time. You slow down, second-guess turns, and burn mental energy scanning shadows instead of enjoying the run. One captain told me he once missed a safe channel marker because clutter blurred it into the background. The memory still bothered him. Stress has a sound. A better layer of awareness changes everything. This is where the Furuno 1818 becomes the practical breakthrough. Don't just pick any marine radar. Make sure it has fast target tracking so you never experience confusing vessel movement in busy or low visibility waters again. The 4 kilowatt X-band output paired with a 19-inch radome delivers strong target returns up to 36 nautical miles. But what matters more is how quickly it turns raw echoes into usable information. Fast target tracking can lock onto up to 10 targets and show speed and course vectors within seconds, making risk assessment far more intuitive. True Trail adds visible movement paths, so direction becomes obvious at a glance. Clear, simple, confident. A small fishing boat operator once told me he nearly misjudged crossing traffic in a crowded harbor until tracking vectors made the situation crystal clear. He adjusted course calmly instead of reacting too late. That difference matters. Automatic gain reduction quietly keeps clutter under control, so you are not constantly fine-tuning knobs. And there is a subtle bonus here that most people overlook, especially on smaller bridges. The flexible mounting options make it easier to integrate serious radar into boats that were never designed for massive displays. Stay with me, because long-term reliability is where this really proves itself. After months on the water, the Furuno 1818 stops feeling like a gadget and starts feeling like a habit. You power up, and the picture simply makes sense. Routes feel calmer because you can read traffic flow early, not at the last second. Over time, that shifts how you navigate busy harbors and narrow inlets. A marine electronics reviewer once described it as an affordable color radar that still carries advanced functions normally reserved for higher-end systems. An everyday user told me it worked like a charm after installing it on his workboat and seeing immediate improvement in target clarity. Another captain appreciated that TrueView keeps echoes consistent when turning, reducing that disorienting screen shift during course changes. I noticed something similar during testing. The combination of automatic clutter reduction and intuitive display modes reduced the need to constantly tweak settings, especially in changing sea states. Some buyers hesitate because it is a standalone unit rather than a fully integrated multifunction display. That is fair, but for many small to mid-sized boats, a dedicated radar screen actually improves focus and reduces menu complexity. See why so many operators prefer a clean, purpose-built radar display. Which feature would give you the most peace of mind on your boat? The Furuno 1815 is not about excess features. It is about clear, dependable situational awareness that supports better decisions offshore. Many pleasure craft owners and workboat operators are quietly upgrading to dedicated radar again for exactly that reason, though results may vary depending on installation and mounting. Simple works. If you are ready for steadier confidence in fog, traffic, or night runs, check the link in the description and see how the Furuno 1815 fits your vessel today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.